look at the traffic! Yeah! Wow! Hello!
Yeah.
Oh, umbrella!
Pink umbrella for the pig.
Ooh, pink! Very nice! Hello, people! Hello! Hey, look, looking at the pig!
I feel like this is not for this way, and the sun is like this.
Hello, Ash.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, pig.
Hello.
Hello.
But so far we haven't seen a lot of people.
Yeah.
It's the area we live. It's quite new, so there's like not a lot of people in there. But this is like traditional Hangzhou, and there are loads of more people here, which is more exciting.
And then you go and walk into a cafe.
Yes, look at the green.
Hey?
Hello.
Hello.
Look at the green, Kate.
Awesome.
It's awesome. Where's the pig?
Where's the pig?
Oh, hey, piggy. Hey, finally we got to the lake. Yes, yes.
I love it so much.
Wow, wow, wow.
Okay.
Hello.
It's getting there, yeah.
Hello, everyone. Hello, it's a pig here. Hello, hello, hello. Ah.
So embarrassing.
Now we are filming.
He just seems to be like just any other Irish tourist, so.
Yes, you're right. So, Katie, come on, be a star. Hello.
Hi.
We finally made it to the lake. Yes. And Katie loves it, and the pig loves it, and I love it, and Ash likes it too. Hello. Hello. Hello.
They're really liking the pig.
Oh yeah, everybody likes the pig. Yes.
Oh, I'm hearing over here.
So, how do you feel yourself?
Great, love! I love the lake! It looks fun, it's really Chinese!
It's really Chinese, yeah.
Yeah! It's all started feeling that we are in China!
boat.
Yes, we are in Hangzhou, and we are having a Good Friday because it's a national holiday today. Yes, we are great pig. Yes.
Yeah. Right?
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. They're really close.
This is just awesome. Awesome.
I know it's
England.
England,
Hungary.
UK, Hungary.
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 Ireland is very small.
Yes.
Very
Yes.
tiny.
I know, I like Ireland. River dancing.
Irish dancing. Yeah.
Yeah, play river dancing.
I can't do. Yeah.
Really, Ireland.
UK. I know UK is Prime Minister Boris Johnson.
Boris Johnson. Yeah, Boris Johnson. No.
Many
We don't like Boris
UK
Johnson.
people is stupid.
That's really true, yes. We are, many UK people are stupid. Yeah. For voting a Tory government.
Not the pig. Pig is not stupid.
I know it's UK young people like living in you.
Yes, I want to.
It's older people like living in you.
Yeah. Feeling bad, I know.
Okay. Hungary.
Hungary.
Hungary. I know. Hungary, you are speechless. You are speechless. You.
The famous that you can.
Hungary. Okay.
Bopen. Oh yeah, that's it.
He invented the
That's correct.
Yeah.
See you.
Oh, that's it. See ya. Viral.
invented by Hungary.
Yeah.
And the Rubik's Cube.
Oh, interesting.
Very good.
Very good.
Hello.
See you.
Hello.
Kasanen.
Oh, you got some Hungarian in there.
Kasanen.
Ah,
Viszlát.
Viszlát.
That is bye-bye.
Viszlát.
Nyugdíjas vagyok.
Hobby nyuka. Hobby.
Yeah.
Unityász
It
vagyok.
says nyugdíjas vagyok. I'm retired.
Unityász vagyok.
Yeah.
Uni.
Yeah.
Unidias
Nyugdíjas.
Nyugdíjas.
That's it.
Ah, okay,
That's it.
I love it.
It's nice. Pig met some Chinese people who speak Hungarian. Amazing.
Island.
This is awesome.
Nyugdíjas vagyok. Nyugdíjas. Nyugdíjas.
No Irish.
Vagyok.
Nyugdíjas vagyok.
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 Yeah, that's it. That's it. Perfect.
Nyugdíjas
Vagyok.
Nyugdíjas vagyok.
Yeah.
Nyugdíjas vagyok.
Amazing.
Iszedem a magyar nyelvet.
Oh, perfect.
Nyelvet.
That's amazing.
Nyelvet.
Yeah.
Fear. Also.
Sia.
Fear.
Sia.
Fear.
Hello, pig.
Hello.
Én ide váló vagyok. En.
Én ide
Ide váló vagyok.
vagyok.
En.
Én
Hungary.
I am from here.
I'm from here, yeah.
En ide váló.
Való.
En ide váló.
Való vagyok.
Való.
Yeah.
Entire Hungarian sentences in that little word. Oh, that's so cool.
That's amazing.
En ide váló vagyok.
Viszlát. Bye. Yes.
Consonant.
Hey.
Köszönöm.
Do you want some Irish?
Köszönöm.
Consonant.
Do you have Irish?
Yeah.
Do
Yes.
you have Irish in there?
Yeah.
这个是黑vagyok.
Helyi vagyok. Yeah.
Helyi vagyok.
I'm
I'm
local.
local.
I'm local. Yeah.
Helyi vagyok.
That's awesome.
Befes
Random.
Kana iol.
Beszélsz kínaiul.
Beszélsz.
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 Sales.
Beszélsz.
Beszélsz.
Do
Beszélsz.
you speak Chinese?
Yes. Do you speak Chinese?
Beszélsz.
Ki. Kínaiul.
Ki.
Yeah, that's it.
Beszélsz ki. Kana
Kínaiul.
iol.
Yeah, that's it. That's right.
Beszélsz kana iol.
Beszélsz kínaiul. We don't. Hello.
Beszélsz kana iol. Thank you. Köszönöm.
You're nothing. You're pretty. You're very pretty.
Köszönöm.
Oh man, very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Have a good day.
And you, have a good day.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Wisla.
Viszlát.
That's so cool.
Bye.
I might just like go ahead and meet her. That's so cute.
Woo.
Because I see on her thing she has like different numbers.
Right. Wasn't this an experience, guys?
That was
That was
awesome.
cute.
That was amazing.
That was unexpected.
Yeah.
That was very unexpected. Also, very unexpected that he started speaking Hungarian.
Yeah, I was like, oh my god.
Wow.
Actually, relatively well.
Wow.
It's like, wow, I just got transported back to
Wow.